It's been 2 weeks since I got the PetKit automatic litter box, and I can tell you hands down that this is the best litter box ever. Now, I got this box because I was sent the Pet Snowy for review, and I loved it so much, but both of my cats wouldn't use it. I have one exceptionally well-behaved cat that will use any litter box I put in front of him, and then I have a ragdoll kitty who is extremely picky and will definitely go outside the litter box if I don't have a good one for him. But this Pet Snowy spoiled me so much that I knew that I wanted to find an automatic litter box that both of my cats would use. So I did a lot of research and I went with this PetKit, as the reviews online made it seem like this would be the best answer for my big ragdoll kitty. And it has been so successful. And in this video, I want to talk about what I did to make sure my ragdoll was willing to use this litter box. Now, to start off with, I just set this litter box up next to a manual pan, and I kept the Pet Snowy here. So I had 3 different litter options here. And I could have unplugged this so it wouldn't scare him, but he's not likely to be scared of things, and I wanted him to get used to the drum, so I just let this run like normal and just had him have the manual box next to it. I did that for 2 days. And then I took the greatest risk of all by removing the manual litter box. I got rid of it completely, so his only options were these 2 automatic litter boxes. I did it during the day, I closed all the doors in the house, and I just watched. My desk is right behind us, so it wasn't hard for me to stick around and keep an eye on him. And surprisingly, after a really long nap, he came down here, he kind of looked at me for a minute, and then he climbed right into this and started using it. And since then, I have had no issue at all. We've had no new accidents, no new behavior issues. He took to it cleanly, and this is a total win. I love its super tiny footprint, how its drawer is so easy to empty, and you can use really any trash bags you want, though the PetKit trash bags are perfect, and how simple it is to add more litter to this drum. And most importantly, I love that both cats use it. This automatic litter box is extremely spoiling, and I definitely recommend it. I forgot that I did one other thing when my cat used it, is that I would give him treats right when he got out, just so he would know that he was a good kitty. And as you can see, he loves scratching, and he's just a little too big to scratch inside there, so he does it on his way out, but it still works great.